saw on classifieds this morning there was a 1985 BJ60 for sale. Looks pretty rusty, but I'm gonna go check it out. It's only about a 45-minute drive from my house. I'm thinking parts car, and then I'll sell off whatever I don't use. So, see how it goes. I'll take some video when I'm there. So what I'm hoping to find with this BJ60 parts car is some like good interior seats, some good fenders, maybe some inner wheel wells, maybe a front rad mount. I don't know, just a bunch of good parts that I can put towards making mine that much better and less rustier. Son. Well, I didn't buy it. Bought an ice cream though. Checked it out. Pretty rotten. There wasn't enough stuff on it to make it worthwhile for me to buy. Windshield was decent. Rims were okay. That was about it. Rockers and the inside and everything was all pretty trash, so not really worth it for me. Not at this point anyway. I'd have to sit on it for a while and try and sell out the rest of the parts. So anyway, doesn't make sense. Just gonna enjoy my ice cream now. Catch you later. Bow!